So my name is Neal. I'm 43 years old, and I'm from New York. Somebody introduced me to Dr. Oscar at the OG Wellness Center. So I'm very surprised at how easy and how professional the Wellness Center was. It was easy to work with, and my teeth look great. I think the technology that they're using here is very impressive. So the price at the OG Wellness Center was, compared to the United States, was 1/3 of what it would cost the United States to get this work. And I very much would recommend that people in the United States, my friends, family, anyone I know, I'll be recommending them to come to the OG Wellness Center. The experience is very professional. I've been here for 3 days, and it's amazing how fast it's been.